What's up, peeps? Welcome back to another math vid. Today we are going to be looking at some proportions, basically like how many in this much, how many in that much, kind of like that kind of stuff. So our first question today is, Sam can read 3 pages every 2 minutes. How many pages can he read in 12 minutes? All right, so you could solve it the standard way, which I'm going to explain right now. So it's basically 3 out of 2, which is how many pages he reads each minute, multiplied by how many minutes there are, equals. But there's also a quicker way to do it instead of just solving it. The quicker way is, you see here that 3 divided by 2 is definitely greater than 1 because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So if it's greater than 1, then it has to be greater than 12 because he reads more than 1 page per minute. And there's only one answer here that's more than 12. All right, moving on to the next question. Every year, there are approximately 13 births per 1,000 residents in the United States. If a certain city has a population of 50,000, how many births can they expect in 1 year? And this one has a slightly more complicated, normal method. So it's basically like 13 out of 1,000, which is how many births there is per 1,000 residents, multiplied by 50K. Because there's 50,000 residents. So if it's 13 out of 1,000, how many, and multiplied by how many residents there are, it should get you the right number. And you could divide it and just get rid of the 1,000 completely. You divide this by 1,000, and it's just 13 times 50. But there's also a faster way to do this one. You see here that 1,000 is actually just 50 times less than 50K. So the correct answer would just be 13 times 50. You wouldn't even need to script down the answer. So pretty simple. 13 times 50, 650. Easy. All right, moving on to the next question. We've got Laverne and Stas walk at the same speed. If it takes Laverne 30 minutes to walk 2 miles, how far can Stas walk in 2 hours? So basically, we're just still talking about the same speed here. It's just that they just changed the name. So how we solve this, it's basically you have to write down an equation again, but this time there's converting and stuff. So basically, simplified, basically just like the same as the front ones, would equal x and 120 because we're trying to convert this into minutes. But there's also an easier method in this, and you don't have to do a bunch of converting. So the easier method here is that you see 2 hours is for 30 minutes because 2 hours is 2 1 hours, and 1 hour is 2 30 minutes. On that same logic, 2 hours should be 4 30 minutes. And if it should be 4 times as much as they walk in 30 minutes. So then it just becomes pretty simple. It's just 4 times 2. So the correct answer is 8. No more converting, haha. So I hope this helped you guys learn at least a bit more about math, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!